Hello and welcome back to another video on this channel. I'm here in Magic Voxel and I created some kind of diagram, which is the UI sprite for the progress manager. You see, I created a button which opens the progress panel, which shows you all materials you gathered and those you didn't gather yet. At least this is the plan. I have to create it right now. So let's dive right into it. So the idea of the whole game is to collect all materials that are on all of these 6 sides of the cube, and to see the progress there is a little button right here we have created, and if you click right on it then you have the current progress panel where you can see your progress with all the items you've collected. Until now we have just 2 items which we do not have collected, and this is signalized by them all painted completely black. And now the thing is, when we collect some item right out of this panel, then this gets painted with the correct image and then you see that you have gathered it. The plan is also to add some kind of dialogue when you hover over them, so you see some stats or the name of the item. So let's have a look. You just saw that both of these icons were black and now we get some wood, so I can show you that when I collect this wood item right here, the progress manager updates accordingly. The plan is that you have to find all of these materials, and I think we will have 50 to 60 items at the end, because this is just a small scope. I also added a minor detail in the world, and you see it, the water is wobbling, and I think this effect is really cool. I made a super small shader which basically just animates the wave with gradient noise and adding this to the object position, and that's it. Here I was experiencing some issues with the foam, so I just took the base color instead, and maybe we have some beautiful foam in the next update. But as you already see, the whole world is pretty empty. We need some more resources together, we need some more content, and I think that's the plan for the next update. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you stay tuned and don't want to miss any updates on this, then please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, we see you in the next video, bye bye.